Viofo A139 Pro parking mode.
Parking recording started.
Low battery protection. Video examples of time lapse, auto event detection, and low bitrate recording. How to retrieve videos where they are, and the parking mode cable. Let's go. Let's talk about parking recording with the Viofo A139 Pro. There's three options: auto event detection, time lapse recording, or low bitrate recording. So, auto event detection, the camera will automatically record a video sequence while a moving object is detected during parking. It will stop recording when no new movement is detected. Time-lapse recording. Time-lapse will record a video at a low frame per second. 1, 2, 3, 5, or 10 frames per second. It keeps recording continuously without any audio recording. Here are the examples of 1 frame per second, 2 frames per second, 3 frames per second, 5 frames per second, and 10 frames per second. And you can actually see the differences between all of them. And the main thing it's doing is it's going from taking 1 picture per second all the way up to 10 pictures per second, depending on what option you select. Now, for low bitrate recording, this mode records video and audio continuously, but at a low bitrate in a small file size. And from the testing I was doing, it seems like the size is about 1/3 of the size of auto event detection. So either way, you can tell it's very good options. Now, for every single one of these units, in order for you to use parking recording, you need to have a parking mode cable. So if you do not have the parking mode cable installed, which you can see here from Viofo is the HK3C cable, please do not use the HK4 or any other cable. Use the specific new version HK3C cable. So you want to make sure to hook up constant power, ignition, and ground. It's very important that it is hooked up this way. That way it actually knows when the ignition is switching off, and it knows when to go into parking recording.
Parking recording started.
Now, in parking mode, if you want to view any of these videos on your dash camera, you can log right in to the actual Wi-Fi app, and you can view them all under the parking mode files. So when you go directly into there, you will find everything. Now, if there is any impacts or anything while parked, they will not go into the locked files. They stay directly into the parking recording file section. So I actually show this in one of the videos about how I make an impact with the basketball, and it still stays directly in the parking recording file folder. So we're going to test low battery protection of the Viofo A139 Pro. So as you can see, we have this cable that actually goes right in there in line that hooks directly up to the dash camera with the USB-C end, and it has settings of 11.8, 12 volts, 12.2, and 12.4 volts. We always recommend everybody set for 12 volts or higher. That's our recommendation. So now we're going to show you the test.
Parking recording started.
And there you go. Low battery protection kicking in, 0.1 volt under the setting, which we set for 12 volts at 1.5 minutes. Thanks for watching our Viofo A139 Pro parking mode video. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm Ben from Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialist. And if you're in the Vancouver area and you're looking to get one of these dash cams installed, feel free to contact us. We'd be happy to help you out. Anyways, thanks again. Cheers.